China has imposed new travel and movement restrictions as a Delta variant-driven COVID-19 outbreak grew to over 500 symptomatic cases scattered across nearly half of China, affecting 15 provinces and municipalities. China has put restrictions on public transport and taxi services in 144 of the worst-hit areas. Officials today informed that 94 new local infections were detected on Wednesday. Afghanistan's Ministry of Defense today said that the country's security forces have killed at least 303 Taliban terrorists and injured 125 in the last 24 hours. Operations were carried out in Nangarhar, Laghman, Ghazni, Paktika, Kandahar and Herat, among other provinces, it added. The security forces also carried out airstrikes in several districts. As many as 589 people, including 2 Congress MPs and 2 MLAs, were detained today during protests carried out by the Indian Youth Congress over fuel price hike and Pegasus in Delhi. Police resorted to water cannons to disperse the protesters. Delhi police said no permission was given to the organizer to carry out the protest march. Days after violent boundary clashes, Assam and Mizoram governments issued a joint statement today agreeing to maintain peace in the interstate border areas. They stated that they would find solutions to disputes through discussions. They also agreed not to send their forest and police forces for patrolling, domination or enforcement to any areas where confrontation has taken place recently. Nagaland Agriculture and Horticulture Department has sent 600 kilograms of pineapples to Kolkata. Packed in 50 cartons, the pineapples were sent through air cargo from Dimapur Airport. Certified as 100% organic by One Third International, the Nagaland pineapples are considered as one of the sweetest and juiciest pineapples in the world. The Indian men's hockey team defeated Germany 5-4 in the bronze medal match at Tokyo Olympics to win their first medal at Olympics after 41 years. The Indian men's hockey team have now won 3 bronze medals, 1 silver medal and 8 gold medals in the history of Olympics so far. India's 23-year-old wrestler Ravi Dahiya bagged silver medal after losing against Russian Olympic Committee's Zavur Ugiev in final of men's 57-kilogram freestyle event at Tokyo Olympics. With this, he became the second Indian wrestler to win a silver medal at Olympics after Sushil Kumar in 2012 edition in London. India has so far won 5 medals at Tokyo Olympics.